The NH-D12L CPU Cooler stands out with its low-profile dual-tower heatsink, making it an excellent choice for compact builds and most 4-unit rack-mount server cases. Its single-fan configuration and asymmetrical design ensure full compatibility with RAM on both AMD and Intel sockets, which is a significant advantage for builders. The state-of-the-art NFA 1225R fan provides exceptional cooling performance while maintaining whisper-quiet operation, thanks to its advanced noise reduction features. Noctua includes their high-end NTH1 thermal paste and an easy-to-install SecuFirm 2 mounting system, making installation straightforward on a variety of sockets. With a 6-year manufacturer's warranty, the NH-D12L is a reliable choice for high-performance processors from both Intel and AMD. Renowned for its quality, this cooler is a deluxe option that combines efficiency with durability, enhancing the overall performance of your system.